Israel has agreed to allow for some food into Gaza before a newly approved mechanism for aid deliveries is up and running later this month, the head of the newly established Gaza Humanitarian Foundation told the CNN. Jake Wood, the foundation's executive director, said that he did not know yet that how many aid trucks Israel would allow into Gaza, but he called conditions that there are clearly urgent and said that he expects positive updates on that is coming in the few days. Also, the Israel government, which has blocked aid to Gaza for nearly 11 weeks now, has not responded to multiple requests for the comment about the matter. The Gaza Humanitarian Foundation will run a new tightly controlled mechanism for Gaza aid deliveries that have been also approved by the Israel and the United States, with both countries say it is designed to prevent the Hamas from stealing the aid. Also, the United Nations major aid organization says, however, that there is no evidence of any significant diversion of aid in Gaza and are refusing to participate in the new aid mechanism, warning that it risks displacing the Palestinians and increasing the danger they face. Also, in the first interview since launching the foundation, Wood addressed criticism by the United Nations and other aid groups and urged them to reconsider. This plan is not perfect, but this plan will be feeding people by the end of the month in a scenario where no one has allowed aid in over the course of the last 10 weeks, Wood said. Also, ultimately, the community is going to face a choice. This is going to be the mechanism by which the aid can be distributed in Gaza. Are you willing to participate? The answer is going to be, pretty critical to the whether or not this ramps up the sufficiently feed the 2.2 million people in a very desperate situation. Without the support of the major United Nations agencies, Wood said it's hard to say whether his foundation will be able to distribute enough aid to feed the Gaza's population of 2.1 million people. He also said that the foundation currently plans to provide 300 million meals in the first 90 days, when it also has been acknowledged that it might not be sufficient at all.